You know that moment when you check your savings and it feels like all your effort, all your discipline, all those sacrifices barely move the number. Like you're running, but the finish line keeps moving. Meanwhile, other people, same age, same salary, they're building wealth like they were born with a secret manual. The truth? They were. A simple rule nobody teaches you. Let me show you. Meet Sam. Normal job, normal income. Nothing special. Just like most people, Sam saved a little whenever life allowed it. But with $1,300 in his account after years of trying, he felt stuck, frustrated, convinced wealth was only for the lucky, until he discovered one idea that flipped everything. Not a hack, not a side hustle, not a get-rich-quick trick. A mathematical truth that quietly decides who's stuck and who becomes wealthy. It's called the acceleration curve. Here's how it works. Your first $100,000, slow, painfully slow. Years of tiny progress that make you question everything. But then something shifts. Your money stops crawling and starts compounding. Not linearly, exponentially. Your second $100,000 comes in half the time. Your third, even faster. It's the moment when your money finally works harder than you do. Most people quit right before that moment. They give up in year 3, year 5, year 7, because the numbers look small. They never see the acceleration. Sam almost quit too, until he ran the math. Investing $500 a month at market average returns isn't exciting at first. Year 1, around $6,000. Year 5, not even $40,000. But keep going. Year 10, you cross $100,000. Year 15, over $200,000. Year 20, nearly $400,000. Year 30, over $1 million. Not luck, not privilege, not magic, just mathematics multiplied by patience. That's the secret manual wealthy people understand. Small money becomes big money only if you give it time to accelerate. And here's the part most people miss. Every month you wait costs you years later. Sam didn't change jobs. He didn't get a huge raise. He just understood one truth. You don't build wealth by working harder. You build it by letting time work for you. If you're ready to take this knowledge and actually put your money in the right place, then don't miss my next video. Index funds versus mutual funds versus hedge funds versus ETFs, explained. Because understanding how your money grows is step 1, but understanding where to put it, that's the step that separates people who stay stuck from people who build real wealth.